Hello to all my friends out there. So I'm excited because I got a new recipe. If you've been following me, you know I live for a new recipe. And so it was on the box, Super Energy Ball. Here's what they look like. These look good. Super Energy balls, and it's everything I have in the stockpile. I'm making half a batch because if I make a whole batch, I will eat them all. So all I need is 1 cup peanut butter, 2 tablespoons margarine or butter melted. We don't need melting here in Southern California. 1/2 cup honey, 1/2 cup non-fat dry milk, powdered milk, 1/2 cup raisins, and 2 cups Tastios and flaked coconut. So I had everything. I had peanut butter, margarine, honey, powdered milk, raisins, and coconut. That's the joy of the stockpile. So, okay, I have the peanut butter and the margarine. So I need combined peanut butter, margarine, honey in a bowl and stir. And this is my honey. I measured that out in advance. This is some kind of, I don't know if it's real honey or honey syrup, but you know, I had it in the refrigerator. I want to be stockpiling some more honey. So we just mix that together. Kids would like this, and it's pretty nutritious too. I got this these Tastio cereal at the the food bank when I went to the senior citizen food bank, and I got peanut butter there too. Okay, peanut butter, margarine, honey, and honey. Stir in milk. Stir in milk until powdered milk and raisins. Okay. I just use 1 little box of raisins because I thought that would be enough for a little batch. This is easy. It smells really good. If you love peanut butter, this would probably be good with chocolate chips, but that's not the recipe. And now you just put the cereal in. You know, as I'm making this, I'm thinking about things don't have to be expensive to be good. They really don't. And sometimes it's just nice to get, and then you roll it in coconut. Sometimes it's just nice to have something, you know. So I think, you know, this 1 tablespoon size would be good. I don't really like to get my hands in the food myself. See how easy this is to make? Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna taste it and I will tell you. It's really, really good, you guys. And really, really easy to make. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.